The Women for Peace, Justice and Human Rights Initiative has declared as incompetent the Lagos State Panel of Inquiry set up to investigate the police brutality in the state. The group therefore called on the Attorney General of the Federation, Abubakar Malami, and President Muhammadu Buhari to stop further proceeding in the ongoing investigation by the Lagos State Judicial Panel of Inquiry and Restitution. According to the group, the state governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu can't be a judge in this case and has sought lack the moral and legal ground to constitute a panel on Lekki where it is visible that he is more than an interested party. Addressing newsmen on Tuesday, Tofisu Weselinda, president of the group, said the AGF must ensure that the caricature that has characterized the proceeding at the Lagos State Judicial Panel of Inquiry is altering the overall interest of the country, as if it is allowed to continue, we might end up dealing with a crisis of imaginable proportion.
This much has been displayed by members of Lagos State Judicial Panel of Inquiry and Restitution, with a grand plot of absolving Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu of any wrongdoing in the event that led to the escalation of violence in the state. The Women for Peace, Justice and Human Rights Initiative is appalled that despite the sensitivity of the issue on ground, the members of the Judicial Panel of Inquiry and Restitution have refused to be circumspect. They have refused to put the interests of the people at heart. Instead, they have elected to be sentimental and play politics, not minding the implication of their actions in the overall healing process. In the national interest had further proceeding of the Lagos State Judicial Panel of Inquiry and Restitution due to the unwholesome interference of Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu in the activities of the panel. We wish to state that this is imperative as the Chief Law Officer of the Federation to see that caricature is not made of the law by some vested interests that are bent on turning the truth on its head with regards to the ongoing investigations. This is also on the heels that Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu is an interested party and cannot be seen to be fair in all ramifications with regards to the ongoing investigations. The AGF and Minister of Justice must ensure that the caricature that has characterized the proceeding at Lagos State Judicial Panel of Inquiry is held in the overall interest of the country, as it is allowed to continue. We might end up dealing with crisis of unimaginable proportion.